Hey folks, Aksham this side from ACE IPM. Bangalore recently conducted an online webinar for their upcoming UG courses in BSc Data Science and Economics. In this video, let's have a recap of the same and understand what is it that they mentioned about the paper pattern, syllabus, and everything around that. So without any further ado, let's begin. So first of all, quickly covering the eligibility part, it was slightly different when they released the form, but it was then changed eventually to having the age criteria being you need to be born on or after August 1st, 2006 for admission in the year 2026. You need to have completed your class 10th in the year 2022 or later with at least 60% in math. There's no overall percentage criteria. The only criteria is that you have 60% in class 10th. There is no 60% criteria anymore for class 11th and 12th. You only need to have math as a subject in both your class 11th as well as class 12th, but not any minimum percentage criteria as such. At the same time, if in case you've made any errors in your form, you will be able to change that. There's a correction window that will come up from the next Tuesday. So that is there, in terms of all the, eligibility related information that we have. In terms of course overview, this particular course or the set of courses are going to be done in a different campus of IIM Bangalore, which is going to be just for UG programs. It is still being constructed, phase 1 of which is completed. So you will start your classes and you will have residential facilities available in that new campus itself, but it is not completely operational. It will be completely operational by 2028. It is a standard procedure. They'll probably create less of hostels right now, but as and when the years progress, more and more hostels will be constructed. There'll be other facilities that they might not have constructed as of now. So वो सारा construction चलता रहेगा, and that is normal, common across all the new and baby IIMs as well, जहाँ पर constructions is still going on. Then more courses will be added, and it is also in line with what we got to know about this particular program and the course from one of the chairpersons of IIM Bangalore, stating that in a LinkedIn post they mentioned that by the year 2031 they probably are targeting more than 600 seats in total across all the UG programs that they are going to offer. In terms of the course, as a part of the course, there are 3 internships that are planned after every year, and there's also a student exchange for students who qualify. There is some overlap in terms of the faculties for the UG as well as PG program, but not all the faculties that are going to take classes for the UG program are going to be the ones who are currently teaching the PGP batch of IIM Bangalore. It's going to be a mix of both. You have an exit option after the 3rd year with just the BSc degree, and after the 4th year, you get a BSc in honors. Although I suspect that if you exit after 3rd year, there will not be any placement assistance provided to you. So that is there in terms of the course. In terms of the finances, of course, this course is very expensive. The fee will include your boarding charges or your hostel fee, but mess is additional, which is the case across all the other IIMs as well. There will be need-based scholarship, although the specifics are not disclosed as of now, but they mentioned that need-based scholarship hoga. There will be something like that, and loan assistance वगैरह रहेगा. In terms of placement, they have mentioned कि placement में we will offer assistance, but there is no guarantee of placement. A lot of people are upset by this fact that they mentioned that placements are not guaranteed. But let me tell you, it's a standard procedure and a standard thing which all the IIMs would say. Because placement, again, mostly बच्चों की लग जाती है, but हर एक बच्चे की नहीं लगेगी. इसलिए placement assistance they mention is not guaranteed. Even if you go to IIM ABC for the MBA batch, ऐसा हो सकता है कि 1-2-4 बच्चे रह जाते हैं in a batch of 200, 300, 400 जिनका placement नहीं लगता है. So that is why nobody guarantees placement as such. But yes, they have mentioned कि placement assistance रहेगा. In the case of their online BBA program, placement assistance का भी as such कोई clear guarantee नहीं है. यहाँ at least they have mentioned कि हाँ placement का support तो हम देंगे. So that is there in terms of their degree. उसके बाद एग्जाम पैटर्न में there are certain things which we did not know earlier which we now do. So that is, there will be sectional timer, there will be sectional cutoff, and there will be an on-screen calculator available as a part of the paper. आपका एक official mock test will be available on 3rd of December on their website. So, as and when it comes, we'll update you about that. But बाकी information is pretty standard. 15 questions for verbal, 15 for quants and data interpretation, 30 questions for quants and data interpretation, and 15 questions for LR. Total timing being 120 minutes for 60 questions. So assuming, they have a sectional timer as well. So should be 30 minutes for 15 questions of VA, 60 minutes for 30 questions of QA, and 30 minutes for 15 questions of LR. changes हो सकते हैं, but this is something which is the most probable sectional timer that they might be having. But इससे कुछ अलग होता है, तो we are not sure about that. In terms of marking scheme, it is different from other IIMs because बाकी पेपर्स में it's a +4 -1 marking scheme. यहाँ पर it's a +3 -1 or a +1 -0.33 marking scheme. So the penalty that you have for every wrong answer is slightly higher than per se, something like a IP MAT Indore, Rohtak or JIPMAT. So that is something that you need to know. In terms of syllabus, a lot of people were going haywire because they mentioned कि 10th, 11th, 12th का NCERT syllabus आएगा. In this meet also, they emphasized on that part कि yes, we are going to take into account the NCERT syllabus of 10th, 11th, 12th only. But in terms of topics that they have listed, they did mention calculus, they did mention stats. So you can expect वो 11th, 12th level का stats or calculus will be a part of this paper. And more on that would be available for us to know once the official mock test is out. But wo, that'd be already late. And that is why in the Hustlers batch, which is going on right now, we've already covered calculus. So that part is already taken care of. Baaki jitni bhi cheezein hain syllabus mein aayegi, that is also going to be taken care of. If in case you are interested, you can still enroll for the course. Link of which is down in the description. We are having daily classes, 7 days, 7 hours every single day till the time your IIM Bangalore's exam is not over, to make sure that you are exam ready by that time in just less than a month. So that is there. In terms of LR, all the major topics of LR would be included. Critical reasoning would also be included. VA में ऐसा कुछ specific mention नहीं करा, but I would assume it to be a mixture of both IP MAT Indore and JIPMAT. Wherein IP MAT Indore में there are some specific question types जो कि हर साल consistent रहे हैं. In the case of JIPMAT, it be a mix कि vocab भी आ रहा है, थोड़ा सा grammar भी आ रहा है, बाकी सारी चीज़ें आ रही हैं, different patterns में आ रहे हैं. So that should be the case with verbal. Again, this is something that is our assumption. अभी वो paper आएगा official, तब ज़्यादा पता चलेगा. So that is there. But overall, throughout the meeting, there was heavy emphasis on the part that आपके syllabus would be revolving around your class 10th, 11th, and 12th NCERT. So that is something that should be your focus, and that is also something which is our focus as a part of the course. In terms of interviews, they will be conducted offline. They did mention कि interview में you need to be yourself. ऐसा कुछ extraordinarily prepare करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. And if in case you have any extracurriculars, you may show that to them as well. So they may have a direct or an indirect weightage given to your ECAs. But again, अगर नहीं भी है तो it does not matter as much. If you're able to perform in the entrance, if you're able to answer the questions in the interview, which would also revolve around math, economics, stats, all those things which are important for you to understand as a part of that degree. So अगर आप उन चीज़ों का आंसर कर पाते हो, I don't think बहुत ज़्यादा impact होने वाला है. But yeah, having an ECA is never a bad thing. है तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं भी है तो you can prepare better for the interview and compensate for that. That is about it for the updates that we have from this particular webinar. If in case you're interested to join the Hustlers batch, the link of it will be down in the description. If in case you have any queries or concerns about this program, you can drop it down in the comment section. I'll see you in another one. Till then, stay safe, take care, all the very best, and bye-bye. Thank you.
Ready to ace IPM? Get started by going on aceipm.com, and over there you'll see a free counseling button. You need to click on that and enter all your details so that one of your future seniors can get in touch with you and clarify all your queries about IPM and ACE IPM. Thank you.